Mommy, we haven't ate AKARA this year. We haven't ate AKARA this year. Have you ate AKARA this year? If not, let's make some AKARA dioko. You guys, this is my beans. I washed it yesterday night and soak it. This way it will help the blender to blend it very well. If you don't have strong blender, I recommend you wash your beans and soak it overnight. So I'm going to blend it. Peppers and onions. Now mix it. You can use your mortar. Now add salt. Only salt is permitted in making AKARA. Only salt, you guys. Stir until well combined. It's time to fry. Now add more onion to flavor the oil. I'm using my ice cream scoop. Now scoop in your batter and allow to fry. All done. Let's scoop it out. Looking so beautiful. AKARA dioko. Now let's continue frying until done. Mommy, we haven't had AKARA this year. So this is me making AKARA for them. Now let's make custard. Now,
people can hear you.
Pour it in. Top it up with more milk for them. Like so. And all done. Food is ready, guys. Who is ready to take his? Favor yours. Ooh. Zingwa. Honey, try this one.
How much is AKARA?